Hey class, picking up where we left off at, we were going to use the substitution method. So we isolated the x plus y equals 1320, and we got x by itself. So we got x equals negative y plus 1320. So we would take this value here and substitute it into the second equation. Okay, so now we will have 0.0124 times negative y plus 1320 plus 0.0025y equals $13.20. Now, we would do the distributive property here, and will give us a negative 0.0124y plus 16.368 plus 0.0025y equals 1320. So we combine like terms here. That gives us a negative 0.0099y plus 16.368 equals 13.20. We will subtract 16.368 on both sides. This will give us a negative 0.0099y equals negative 3.168. We divide each side by a negative 0.0099, and that will give us y is equal to 320 at 0.25%. And since he only had 1,320 that was invested, then that means X is equal to $1,000 at 1.24%. So these are your final answers. Now, scroll here to problem 26. It says green turf's grass seed costs 60 cents per pound, and Agway's grass seed costs 45 cents per pound. How many pounds of each were used to make a 40-pound mixture that cost $20.25? So what you would have to do is you would take green turfs plus Agway's, and that would equal 40 pounds. Because when you add those two together, that would be the poundage. Now we know one costs 60 cents, which would be 0.60. And we know that that is our green turfs. Our Agways cost 45 cents. Now, we would set that equal to $20.25 because that's how much it would end up costing when you take the two. So now we would do this the same way we did the other problems. We would use the substitution method here. And this problem I'm going to actually write out. So we will have G plus A is equal to 40. So let's say we want to get A by itself. We will subtract G on both sides, and A equals 40 minus G. So now we will substitute this in for A. We have 0.60 G plus 0.45. A would be 40 minus G, and it equals 20.25. So we have 0.60 G. So we have 0.45 times 40. So we can take 0.45 times 40. That will give us 18. Then 0.45 times a negative G is a negative 0.45 G. That equals 20.25. Now we will combine like terms. This will give us 0.15 G. Plus 18 equals 20.25. We will subtract 18 on both sides. And we will have 0.15 G is equal to 2.25. We will divide each side by 0.15. Then we'll have G is equal to, we can take 2.25 divided by 0.15. And that would give us, I got an error here. I guess I didn't put divided by 0.15. That would give us 15. So G is 15. So with G being 15, that would mean that A will have to be 25. So it's 15 of this greens turf. then we will have 25. These are pounds. So we need to put the labels with it. So it'd be 25 pounds of ag waste. Okay, so now that took care of this, and this is the final answer. So now we have problem 27. It says the modern grocery has cashews that sell for $4.50 per pound and peanuts that sell for $2.50 per pound. How much of each must Albert the grocer mix to get 80 pounds of a mixture that he could sell for $3 per pound? So basically it goes like this here. We know that it's an 80-pound mixture. So we will have x plus y is equal to 80. Now we know that cashews cost $4.50. So we'll make x our cashews, and our peanuts would be y, which would be $2.50. Now, we're told that he sells 80 pounds for $3. So we'll take $3 times 80. So now, we know that $3 times 80 will give us $240, right? So now you can write this down. Well, let me write it down again. So we have x plus y equals 80. And we have 4.50x plus 2.50y is equal to 240. This will reflect that. Now, what we need to do here is this. We need to get the x or y by itself. So what we would do is we would take x plus y equals 80 because we want to use the substitution method. We can get y by itself. So we'll subtract x on both sides. And y equals negative x plus 80. So now we would substitute in for y the negative x plus 80. That would equal to 240. So we will have 4.50x minus 2.50x, and then 2.50 times 80, we can do here in a calculator. That will give us 200. That equals 240. 4.50x minus 2.50x will leave us 2x plus 200 is equal to 240. Now we will subtract 200 on both sides, because remember we're trying to get x by itself. So we add 2x is equal to 40. Divide each side by 2, and x is 20. So remember, x represented our cashews, so it's 20 pounds of cashews. And y represents our peanuts. It equals 60 pounds of peanuts. This is your final answer. Are there any questions?